What's good, Team Yzer, and welcome back to Yzer TV. Today we're going to talk about how to get started on YouTube in 4 easy steps. Run the intro. Did you like my sexy intro? Did you? 4 easy steps. The first step is also the simplest. Open your account. Get a Gmail, open a Gmail account, switch over to YouTube, get yourself a YouTube account. Job done. Step 2, get a camera. Any camera. Cameras are not too important with this stuff. But as much as I say that, I don't really like people who film their phones too much. But if you do it within vlogs with a bigger camera, it's not so bad. But if you do a whole thing on a little video on an iPhone or whatever, I'm not too keen. But other people do it and other people find success with it. So any camera. I mean, I've got my old Sony DSC H400, only shoots in 720. My Canon 1300D, which shoots in 1080p. This is my good camera. This is my big camera. I shoot pretty much everything on this. This No Pro, it's like a helmet cam for bike riders, but I use it occasionally for time lapses and stuff like that. It's not a bad bit of kit really. But yeah, any camera is good. Any camera is fine as long as you can be bothered to put in the effort. You'll be fine. So yeah, get a camera, any camera. Think about what you want to film first. I mean, personally, I run a diverse, well, both my channels are quite diverse, so I do music, I'm into boxing at the moment, I also want to work in other sports, I want to get into wrestling filming, I also do vlogging, I also do interviews and DVDs and stuff, so yeah, you just got to think about what you want to do. Personally, I want to be an all-round video and film producer, so I just want to film anything and everything and be involved in all types of videos and any genre of video. But a lot of people might want to just jump into one realm of it. So think what you want to do. If you want to be a vlogger, if you want to be a video producer, if you want to be a music video person, just see what you want to do first. finding the right music is step 3. This is something that used to annoy me, but if you literally just look up on YouTube royalty-free vlogging music, you'll find plenty. I'm personally using a site at the moment called epidemic.com, and that's really good. You've got to pay something like £20 a month or something to be on that site, but it's really good, and you get some wicked tracks. So yeah, it's definitely worth looking up. But you may not even like what it is though. There's loads of people on YouTube, so just hunt around. And what I also say about find the right music, you gotta mix and match it right. You know what I mean? I make boxing promotional videos, and I started off just using like hip hop and drum bass beats, but now I've started using like cinematic, like violins, and you get me, like action thriller trailer type music, because it captures more of a cinematic action feel, in my opinion. So yeah, just find the right music for your opinion. Don't put, say, love music over the top of a running scene unless you're going to do it in slow motion. But this is another subject. I'll have to do a whole episode on what music to use on what kind of videos. And finally, step 4, just press record. Press record in your camera, film yourself, get it edited, and post it. It's really not difficult. It's literally, I mean, you'll get nervous in front of the camera first. You'll notice I'm still not great talking to the camera. I'm getting much better, but it takes a lot of practice and it takes a lot of time. But literally, just press record, sit in front of your camera or stand in front of your camera or whatever, and just start talking. It's as easy as that. Yeah, well, thank you very much for tuning into this episode. If you want to know what software and what cameras and all that sort of stuff I want to use, I will do a separate episode on that very soon. But yeah, thank you once again for tuning into Yzer TV, and I am out.